Hello guys, Winter the Roblox Con 6891. Today we're going to play Ragdoll engine. Oh no, I'm falling off a million floors of a building. Oh, woo, ouch. Actually that hurts, but at least you don't die in this. Well, alright. Let's go up an escalator. Going up. Going up. Wait, whoa. Ugh. Yeesh. Actually, that looks quite scary. If you don't know. Then probably. Woo. Oh no, I'm gonna hit another player. Oh, come on, man. Wee. Oh, come on. Alright, what are you doing? What are you doing here? Yay, I'm in the water. Oh, come on, man. Oh, yeah. I deserve it. Sorry. Wait, whoa. Slapped with microwave? Alright, who is that stupid person in the chat commands? This is my personal escalator. Alright, this escalator. I'm on an escalator and I'm trying to get down from this escalator. Ouch. That really hurts. Oh no. No. Alright, let's go into the water. Or maybe. Oh, look at this. High stairs, man. Oh no. A million floor building. Hey, bye. Cannon. Let me in. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Oh, come on, shoot me, man. Get me in. I want to come into the cannon. Why can't I go into the cannon? I'm a doll. Alright, let me put on doll mode. And get this cannon going. Get this cannon going. Get this cannon going. Get it going. I can't get up. Woo! That's an escalator. Let's have some fun out here. What does drinking mud? Alright, let's go. Hey, slidey slide. Oh man. Is that the escalator I'm seeing? I'm gonna step on you. Ha. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Ooh, oh no. Oh no. I'm sad. Oh no, now the game camera is glitching. Whee! Oh! Out. Hmm. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, this is like so realistic. Let's go up. Alright. This isn't such a good idea, but let's just go for diving. Yeah, I think diving. Whee! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! I went bouncing. So curious. Whee!